Mushrooms are very fascinating and magical. The Mycelium Mysteries teaches things on a deeper level, on a richer level. It's all encompassing. So you're learning about specific mushroom identification, starting even with tree identification, because there's some correlation between trees and certain mushrooms that grow there. There's also people that are folding in some of the studies with psilocybin, and it's actual scientific researchers. So it's not people that are simply sharing their personal experience. It's coming from a scientific basis, and the importance of learning about the mushrooms so that you can feel supported if you want to go out and forage on your own. So I was depending on friends to show me where to go look for mushrooms and things like that. Now I can identify 7 or 8 different mushrooms. You start to see a mushroom, or you're curious about a mushroom, and then it starts to pop up for you. And then you start working with that mushroom as far as making it into food or medicine. We've used mushrooms to dye scarves. It offers the classroom work, but it also offers the personal growth and working outside of the classroom work, which feeds into our relationship with the mushrooms.